Hello again everyone, this is Chris from business.chrisquery.com and I have another video to teach you guys something new today. And the topic of this video is how do people make money on social media? So by now you must have figured out that people are making good money through their activities on social media. Back when Facebook came out, it was just looked at as a time waster, something that kids would go on to waste time and see what everybody else is doing, and their parents and their teachers tried to prevent them from using it. Today, you can build your entire business around social media. And if you have a business today that does not use any of the social media platforms, you are going to get left behind. So in today's video, I'm going to explain how people make money using social media and give you some different examples on how it's done. The first thing I want to mention is that none of this is even possible without an audience or subscribers or followers, whatever you want to call it. It's eyeballs looking at your content or people that follow you and like what you have to say. You have to be able to create an audience for this to work best for you. But it's very possible to create an audience on these many social media platforms from nothing and grow them very, very quickly, all for free. So I'm going to go over the top 5 most popular methods that people use to make money on social media. So number 1 is through ads. Specifically, this can be done on YouTube. Now this one is simple and easy to set up. All you need to do is switch on the monetization switch on your videos. So by doing this, the video will show ads for other people or companies before, after, or during your video. Now, the way that you get paid from this is if people who are watching your video click on any of the links for the ads, you will get a commission based on how many people click on it. Every month or whenever you determine your threshold, YouTube will send you a check in the mail with your ad revenue. Fairly simple. The next method that people use to make money on social media is through sponsorships. Now this works well if the content that you're posting on social media is specific to a product that is related to your channel or to your profile. An example is if you have a video or a Instagram account that talks about computers and how to back up data on your computer. One of the sponsors that you may have could be for an antivirus software company. And basically, you would reach out to them and they will pay you X amount of dollars per post to mention your company in each one of your posts. Now, to set this up, you will need to reach out to the company and let them know your social stats. So average views, likes, follows, or subscribers. And you can use this to negotiate a rate that they will pay for mentioning their company in your social media post. Now, the other thing that you can do is have affiliate sales. Now, just about every company out there has some sort of affiliate program. So regardless of any area that you may focus on for your social media content, you should be able to find a company that has an affiliate program that you can be a part of in order to generate some revenue or commissions through affiliate sales. An example of how this works is through a program that I use called Acuity Scheduling. I use Acuity Scheduling to book appointments for my businesses, and they have an affiliate program where if anyone signs up for Acuity Scheduling because of me, so I have a link that people can click on, I get a commission based on how many people sign up because of my link. So if I say to you, hey, if you want to use Acuity Scheduling for people to book appointments with your business, click this link here. And if you click that link and sign up to Acuity Scheduling, I basically get paid for that. And there are other programs out there through Amazon, which is one of the popular ones where you can set up a free Amazon associate account. You could promote Amazon's product and they'll give you a customized link to place on your social media post. And basically anytime someone clicks on those products and buys it, you get a commission from it. So that is affiliate sales. But what's better than selling someone else's products or services? You got it. It's selling your own products or services. Now this takes a little bit more work, obviously, but if you have a social media following and if your content is about something specific, you can create your own products or services related or targeted to that audience, and you can create products and services and sell them to those followers. You could create digital or physical products, e-courses, e-books, sell memberships, any types of products or services that you can sell to your audience. You can do that as well, but it just takes some work because you have to create them basically. And the last thing that I'm going to mention is branded merchandise. So this is something that's becoming more popular, branded merchandise or merch as they call it. So this is a good way to make money because if your brand is big on social media, you can sell apparel to your followers. So if it could be a t-shirt or a hoodie with your slogan or your logo on it. And you can do this even without having to manage inventory or shipping costs. There are companies out there where you can just send your images or your designs, and you can do it online even, and upload it, and then paste that link to wherever you need, wherever your followers are on social media, and whenever they want to buy it, they can do it through that company and buy your merchandise through that company. So you don't even need to manage any of the shipping hassles or any of the inventory issues. You just need to create the design, upload it, and then when people buy it, of course, they take their cut for all the work that they're doing, but you get to keep some of the revenue from that as well. So this is another way that you can make money through social media. So these are just 5 examples from the top of my head that I just wanted to put down for you, just to let you know that it is possible to make money using social media. But again, the key to all of this is having an audience. If you have an audience that you can promote your social media postings to, you can make more money than if you had no audience or a smaller audience. But what I want to remind you of is my 1-month business challenge. And in my 1-month business challenge, I go over the steps on how to find the area that you want to start your business in, how to attract an audience and actually start, and show you how you can actually make money. And some of those strategies that I mentioned here are covered in my 1-month business challenge. It's a simple checklist that you can follow. You can put in about 30 minutes every single day in order to accomplish this. And by the end of the month, you should be making at least $500, if not more. And one of the sections in my 1-month business challenge is how to grow an audience using social media, right? So that's something what I talked about in this video. If you can grow an audience on social media, you can employ one of these 5 strategies that I have here, one of these 5 methods to make money using social media. So try my 1-month business challenge. It's free. It's just a PDF download. There's a link in the description that you can click on, and you'll be able to get it and start right away. And you can try my 1-month business challenge. I want to help you to start your business, to make multiple streams of revenue so that you can bless your family and you can find that freedom that you have and escape the 9-to-5 that so many people are struggling with right now. Okay, so there's a link in the description. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end, and I just hope that you go for it and make something great happen today. Be blessed.